I have an old Tecumseh magneto part number 30545 and need a replacement. Can I get this part or can it be replaced with a solid-state ignition system?
Do you know the model of your Tecumseh tool or machine? How old is it?
It is at least 30 years old and I can't find a model number, but it is a 2-stroke horizontal engine. I am guessing it is less than 6 horsepower. It drives a portable drilling system made by Hoffco Inc. with a serial number ###.
How long has this been going on with your Tecumseh engine? What have you tried so far?
It hasn't been used for over 25 years. I'm just trying to rebuild it now and noticed that I wasn't getting any spark. I am at the stage of cleaning up the points etc. but was wondering if there are any replacement parts.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I can send you a photo of the magneto if that helps to find a replacement.
Hello, my name is. I'd like to help you on this. Yes, send me a pic of the dinosaur. I have some avenues for old Tecumseh engines.
I have sent the pictures via email to you, Steve, but I will try to attach them here. Can't seem to get them attached. I see that it was attached, so here are 2 more of the motors.
Whoa. Dude. That's what I call vintage. Sweet, I haven't seen one of these in I don't know how many years. Well, you really wanted to challenge me, didn't you? LOL. Are you doing this for nostalgia, or you don't think there is an engine that will run/fit that pump? Just asking.
I want to use the rig to drill a series of water wells on our ranch.
The reason I ask is because it may be a while to find parts for this engine. Tecumseh is out of business and the parts are few and far between.
Do you know if the magneto could be upgraded to a solid-state ignition system?
Isn't that one that mounts under the flywheel?
You can see where it sits in one of the pictures. I can put it on again and take a picture of where it sits if that helps.
No thanks, I knew it when I saw the first pic. And no, it can't be upgraded because there is not a new place to mount it.
Any ideas on how to get a replacement part?
I can check it out with my distributor OA Distributing. And you can shop on eBay.
If you wouldn't mind checking with your distributor and I can try eBay again.
Will do. Dude. Go to eBay and enter in Tecumseh magneto part number 30545. There are 5 available.
Tried eBay and Amazon with no luck. Are you searching in the US?
Yes. Are you not in the US?
No, I am in Western Canada, Alberta.
Ah, no wonder you can't see them. Can you find a way to search the US? So try this, put the info into the Google search engine. That's what I did to take it to eBay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.